Today I'm out here with my 04.5 GMC Sierra, and I also have a 2005 GMC Sierra half-ton for parts. And today I'm going to be looking at the seat right here. I probably won't be able to show you until I get this thing out. And the parts truck, I've taken the seat completely out, give you a little better view of what's going on here. And you'll see there's a peg here and a plastic peg here and a stud there and there. Two nuts that I already have off. That's where those two nuts are from. So I know everything is quite dirty underneath here. Gonna need a cleaning once this is all out, but see that piece of blue foam that's underneath there? Well, that's what's been holding my seat up right now. And I'm gonna pull that out of there. Okay, that piece is out. I've been using that cushion right there to sit on because this is all broken in here, and I realize I need a new cover, but this old girl's got over 470,000 kilometers on it, so it's gonna get what it gets. Just basically have to push that down, unplug it, pop that out. Because once you get these two nuts off right there, off the bottom, you lift it up and just pull it forward. So this is a mechanical seat, and try and give you the best view I possibly can. But right under here, there's a little clip that holds that wire in place. The clip has to be popped out. Okay, looks like there's some more wiring on the other side over there that needs to be unhooked. So this little wire here, it just connects onto here, and then the whole thing comes out. So basically what I need is this wire in there. This one here is completely ripped off at this end where the springs are, and it was just caving in, literally. So you pull these clips off the side. This here just has a plastic edge there that just tucks into this metal. There you go. Unclip that, and your cover should be free. It's going to be dirty under here, I know it will. Oh yeah. It's in rough shape. And there's Velcro here that holds everything in place inside the cushion there. Wow, that's looking pretty rough. Anyway, that's how it comes off. So then there's the cushion part of it. And this we believe just wraps around there. Shouldn't be anything holding it on there. Nope. Might be stuck on a little bit. There we go. And there's a spring. Alright, this thing isn't looking in the best of shape. Seen its better days, I guess. So the other one that I took off the other truck is a little different. Than it has a cutout right here for the electric switches. So there's a bit of difference on the end here between the two. The bottom one is the one off the parts truck, and that has the electric switch in it. And the top one is from my truck, the 04. And it's got the mechanical seat in it. So this seat is electric, so it had this extra cover on it right here. I had to take that off, had some torque screws holding that. And that wire harness has a whole lot more stuff attached to it, so I just pulled the whole harness out of this one. Don't need it. So even though this is all ratty and mangled, I'm still going to finish up this video. So this is the broken one, obviously. And I'm just going to pull that out of there. I'm going to use the springs from the other seat. So here's a little trick to undoing springs. I use this trick on springs on drum brakes. Just clamp and pull. And that comes out. And then here's this one. Okay, so these things are bent up a little bit. That looks a little better. Just going to be using the 4 best looking springs that I have here. And this time I'm going to hook it in here first. It's obviously going to require a little bit of some strength and a lot of patience. The second one was easier. Do one more. Third one was even easier. Fourth one should be easy peasy. Alright, it's good to go for now. That junky thing is going back on. this foam has to be wrapped around that bottom there. And there you go. One old seat. At least I can use it now. I probably should have took the time to straighten out all the seams here where the Velcro attaches, but not going to, because it's coming out again. Alright, and then we'll put it back in. So before you hook these little nubbies into those slots right there, you're probably better off getting your wires hooked back up. Get that all in place. So this is the bottom of the seat. You'll be able to see those little tabs slide into place. And then you'll have to look underneath here to make sure that those little studs are in the holes where they're supposed to be. And then you can put the nuts back on. So the cushion's back in, and there's one more thing that I wanted. Looks like these headrests have been replaced at one time. They've got vinyl headrests on them, and the other truck has some better ones. I'll get them out.